Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I'm in the house with the Spartan blades. Astor here with me for a maintenance video. And please don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's get started, guys. This is gonna be a quick one because it's a pretty simple construction. Couple liners, G10 and a liner, couple scales, sorry, and one liner. So pretty straightforward. Let's just get started and attack this guy. We're gonna need T8 and T6. No, this is T15, I think. We're gonna start like with a T. Yeah, that's a T6 for the handle screws. 1 and 2 are out. Very good. And then I think this guy, yeah. I think this is a T15. Let me see, that's a 15. Right? That's a big boy. Look at that. Nice T15. Love it. Beautiful oversized pivot. That's out. And we should be pretty much in business. Let's just open carefully the blade. And let me see, do we need to remove the clip? No. This should just come off like easy, right? What's going on? What's going on? So let's just do things by the book. Take some hard plastic thing and you can just wedge it just gently like so. There you go. I can feel already it's coming off. Nice and easy. Look at this. Never force anything. Also in life, it's my advice. A little bit of Zen suggestion here. All right, you got your Les George Design CTS XHP blade. A couple of nylon Teflon washers up against the scale. A indexed pivot. Couple standoffs with a, look at this liner, really the smallest liner ever. Let's see, this guy is 8, we don't need that, we're gonna need a 6 later. Good. So let's just clean this up. It's not that dirty, but we're gonna just give it just a little bit of rubbing alcohol here, just around the blade. We're gonna oil it up later, and we're gonna clean the liner on the inside, which is nicely done. This is that's cool, nicely blasted. It's a nice internal finish. Usually you don't get to see, like in this price range, this is like $170, something in that ballpark. You don't see that too often, I mean. And that's also, these are keyed in nicely here. You see, they match. Beautiful, but we're not gonna need to remove these guys. Yeah, that's the pivot, the stop pin, sorry, which came off. And guys, we are pretty much good to go here. That's gonna go on the side here. And it's going to be pretty much oriented in this sense. And then you've got your Teflon washer, nylon, and then you've got your washer, actually, which is phosphorus bronze, which is going to go right over here. This guy can be here. Actually, we can use, you know what? Let's just do this. Let's use just a little drop of nano oil right in between the two washers, so this is gonna stick like that, and also like a couple there, and just and just like one drop there, and another like so. That's it, done. And actually, let's just do this. Oops, I just changed the color of my light. There you go, and that is done. And it's pretty straightforward. We're gonna need to just put this guy in like so. Interesting construction over here. This guy hopefully should, no, this doesn't want, let's just do this. It's easier. And this is in like so. Just reduce the tension for the blade like here, and this guy needs to be keyed in, so you can just push it and it's gonna find its way. As soon as you find the right spot, I'm assuming. Where is it? There you go. So that's gonna stay in position. We're gonna need this guy. Let's change that. Let's keep that for a second. T6, it's in the driver. You do the farthest screw on the handle, and then you do the second screw on the handle, like so. Very good. And then we're gonna do the pivot, but look at this. Let's just do a little bit of blue Loctite. You see, it was already there. We're gonna use a little bit more. So this is done. And this is in. And we're gonna just do some fine tuning in a second. Just put this guy away. So now this is way too tight. Let's just go back to this screw to make sure, yeah, you see, just double check they're tight, never over tighten them. And then this guy over here. Okay, let's actually check for blade centering, which is pretty much spot on. We didn't really clean the blade, didn't we? So that's perfect. So let's just unscrew this because it's way too tight. So just, you see, keep the blade like this and just tighten when you see that it's centered. Usually that's the sweet spot. There's no blade play. Let me just do a tiny drop of nano oil on the detent ball like so. And we should be good to go. So, of course, this is, let's see, no blade play. Blade is centered, snaps open, no lock stick. Very good. So, of course, there's no drop shuttiness. You can just, you see, you have to wiggle it pretty strongly to get this guy closed. But this is the nature of the beast, which is actually pretty, feels pretty good in the hand. And you see, it's like a Sebenza. It's not meant to be flipped open. It's not a flipper, just thumb studs. But the action, guys, I'm telling you, it's absolutely smooth. There's nothing wrong with this action. Locks up solidly, flies open with the, look at this. Oops. Yeah, it's pretty good, guys. I like it. Nice, nice and smooth, and there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.